In this video, we will see the different functions available in strings. First function is to find the number of characters in the string. So for that, so len of a is a string. So if you pass this a to an argument to this len function, so it will return the total number of characters present in this string. See, there are totally 16 characters. So and the next function is a dot count. What this count function does is, so it will accept the argument and it will return how many times the argument is present. So the first thing is the substring. The substring is compulsory. So you have to give a substring and it will return how many times the substring is present in this string. And there are two more arguments which are optional, start and end. So start represent from where we have to start the search, and end represent from where we have to stop the search. So if you don't include start and end, so the default value is start is beginning of the string and end is the end of the string. So simply I will give 1. So what it does is, so it will find how many ones are present in A and it will return the count. See, there are 2 ones, and similarly if I give 4 1, now what it does, it will find how many 41s are present in the string. So there is only one occurrence of 41, so I will get 1. So if I give 4G, so it should give 0, because there is no occurrence of 4G in the string. Similarly, if I give like this 2 and 3, so the starting value is from third index, so 0 1 2 3. So from here it starts to search. So from the third index it starts the search process and it will return how many 2's are present. So there should be only 1 2. So we are not counting this one because we are going to start from 3. So this is how count function works. And similarly the next function is starts with. So this starts with also accepts 3 things. So first one is prefix. So it will return true or false whether the string starts with this prefix or not. And the start and the end is similar to the count function we saw earlier. So if I give 1 2 3, so this should return true, because this string starts with 1 2 3. And if I include a 2 3, it should say it is false. So similarly there is another function called as ends with. So this will tell whether the string is ending with a particular suffix or not. So if I give ht, then it should give true. If I include 1 here, it should give false. And similarly there are lots of built-in methods which I have included in the description. So by using the cheat sheet you can be able to know all the built-in functions of string. So now the next important thing is we have to find whether a substring is present in a string or not. So suppose I am going to check whether 34 is present in A. So for that purpose I am going to use an operator called as in followed by the string. So this will return true when 34 is present in A. So in A you can see 34 is present and this will return true. So similarly if I give 100 and 100 is not present in A, so it should give false. And now we will see how to iterate over a string. So that is A is a string and I am going to iterate over the string. So reading one character at each iteration. So I am going to use a loop for I in A. So what is I does is, so I is a temporary variable. So in each iteration, I will hold one character in A. So first iteration I value is 1, in second iteration I value is 2, and third iteration I value is 3. So likewise it starts to increment till the end of the string. So if I print the value of I, so I can see that all the characters are being printed. So this is how you loop to a string. So similarly you can use slicing operator here. So I don't want to loop from starting to end. So I want to loop from end to start. So I have to use like this. Okay, so now I will get the same output but in reverse order. See, the string is printing in reverse order. So likewise I am going to start from 5th character and I am going to end with 10th character and step size is 2. So now what happens? So this is 5th character and ending at 10th character with step size as 2. So now I want to print only the vowels present in this string. So how I will do? So let me delete this thing so that I am iterating throughout the string. Okay, so instead of printing I, here I have to check whether I is a vowel. Okay, so if this is a vowel, I am going to print print I. So otherwise I am not going to print I. So how I will check I is a vowel or not? Okay, so I is a character. So this character should be any of the following. So A, E, I, O, U. So this I should be any of the following. So what I will do? I have to use in operator. So if you remember in operator, this A, E, I, O, U is a string. So I is a character. So we are going to check whether this character is present in the string or not. So if it is present, then we are going to print. In the first iteration, I value is 1. Okay, so this expression turns into 1 in A, E, I, O, U. So you can see that 1 is not present in any of these characters. So it returns false. So likewise, the iteration goes up to this character. So until it finds a vowel, the condition will be false. So as soon as there is a vowel in the string, so it will start to print that vowel. So let's run this code and you can see there are only 2 vowels present in